lovelies, welcome to my channel. For all of you that don't know me, I'm Mischa-Paige and I'm so happy to have you here. So today I did a a everyday foundation routine, and literally I used two eyeshadows for this look. I just used a brown, let me show you actually. I just used a brown eyeshadow just because I don't like a foundation eye, if that makes sense. So just like when you do your foundation and just put foundation on top of your eyes, your eyelids, I don't like how that just looks, and it's still wet. So I just put a brown over it using this palette. This palette is from it says Beauty, but it's I Heart Makeup, which I think it used to be called Makeup Revolution, or it is now called Makeup Revolution, something like that. But anyway, this is the Chocolate and Peaches palette, and I used, give me 1 second, I used the shade Fine, which is this brown. Literally, I only used this one shade for the eyes, and then I used for the pink, I used another palette from Swiitchbeauty, which is a South African makeup brand. Again, it is a dupe for one of the Morphe palettes. I don't know which one it is. I think it's 35B. I think 35B is the colored one, right? And then 35O is the warm tones, something like that. Anyway, I used these two shades. So this pink one and this pink one. I just mixed them a little bit, and then I popped it in the inner corner just to create that pop. This look was inspired by Kylie Jenner's makeup tutorial video that she did recently while being on tour with her Vans. So yeah, I did get the inspiration from her, and yeah, I hope you guys like it. If you do want to see how I achieved this look, then please do keep on watching.
Allons plonger vers les ciels de Méditerranée. Échappons-nous vers l'horizon.
one more thing, if you are interested in this hair, sis, it is from Eon Hair Store. They are a Instagram, I want to call them an Instagram company. I don't know if that's correct, maybe I'm tripping, but they are a let me say this, they're on Instagram, and it's a very cute wig. If you want to know more about it, you can check out my previous video where I give you all the deets about the hair. As usual, if you did like the video, as usual, excuse me, excuse me, you've been here for 2 seconds. What do you mean as usual? Relax. So not as usual, but if you guys do like the video, please remember to like, comment and subscribe. It would mean so much to me. I need you guys. Please do remember to like and comment and follow me on Instagram. I do have it below, but if you just want to know because you love the way I sound, my Instagram is Mischa-Paige, Mischa-Paige. Yeah, I'm gonna get off now because I think I've spoken enough. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.